Okay, so I found the instructions. They were in the box, um, in the basically in the supplied box. It said there are a lot of instructions about the battery being discharged to 10% on initial use. But the only way I would know it's at 10% or so is if I try to power it on with the battery being on. So they say if you read the instructions in detail, there are a lot of different things they say about the battery, but essentially they're saying to fully charge and discharge the battery, but it shouldn't be discharged to below 10%. So I'm going to first power on the battery, and I've just put the cover back and it's clicked into place, but I haven't yet added the screws because I want to check if this new battery first if this new battery actually works. So I'm gonna actually take it, power it on, and basically check if the current battery has any power, if it powers on, and if not, then I'm gonna connect it to its charger. I think it's a 20-volt DC charger. I measured that the charger supplies 19.7 volts. I'm not sure if that's enough, but it's supposed to be a 20-volt DC output from this Lenovo charger. So okay, now comes the moment of truth. Let's power on the laptop and see if the battery has any charge to it. You're supposed to keep it pressed for a minute. Doesn't seem to be powering on. So I'm now going to connect the charger and see if it. I think I have to charge it for the instructions say for how long, but I'm going to start to charge it. Let's see if there are any power LEDs that indicate that it's charging. Okay, so I connected the charger. You're supposed to let the battery charge for a couple of hours, I think. I'll check the manual. Well, now it's connected and the battery should be charging, and I'm going to come back and try it later.